Hey everyone, I'm Cole Woods and welcome back to my channel, Beauty, Brain, and Brawn. Today I'm heading into New York City for a wellness day hosted by Lifepro. I'm excited to try out their products, connect with the team, and of course, take you all along for the experience. The venue is located in East Village at the beautiful Moxy Hotel, and as you can see, it's a gorgeous day, and I can't wait to see what's in store. Before we dive into today's event, let me tell you a little bit about the look I'm serving. I'm heading into NYC with a stylish yet comfy outfit that I found right on Amazon. Perfect for a wellness day. All of the details for this look will be posted in the description section. Let's go. Now that we're in New York, it's time to hail an Uber, and I'm so appreciative to the Lifepro team for actually providing Uber codes for the attendees. It is absolutely the thought that counts. Just a few quick touch-ups while we're in the Uber. I'm obviously really feeling this look. My objective at this event is not just to try their products, but also to get to know the team and also see if I can find some alignment between Lifepro and some of my other consulting clients. Networking is key. Here we are at the Moxy Hotel in East Village. It's such a chic spot. I'm heading up to the Jane Suite where the event is being held. I'm really looking forward to meeting the team and trying out all of their wellness tools. I've been loving Lifepro products so far, so let's see what else they have in store. First stop, refreshments. They definitely know how to treat their guests. Fruits and snacks curated from healthy brands all over NYC. And look at all the Lifepro products laid out. Everything from vibrating plates to hand massagers. It's like a wellness and recovery dream come true. One of the first products I got to try was the Legra hand massager. I spend a lot of time on my phone and computer, so this was perfect for relieving some of that hand tension. Super easy to use, and it felt like my hands were getting a spa treatment. Next up, the Rumblex Plus Vibrating Plate. This was a fun one. I've never actually tried one of these. One of the Lifepro team members gave me a demo and I could really feel the vibrations working through my legs and core. Definitely a game changer for recovery and shaking out those aches and pains. You can do squats on this, just stand on it, or even work on your balance. Then I got to check out the fitness station. It's like having a full set of dumbbells in one. I can totally see this being a staple for anyone looking to bring a versatile fitness setup into their home, particularly those in apartments or those without immediate access to a gym. Definitely a space saver. Now this was one of my favorite parts of the day. I met with a professional from Stretchlab and we talked about my shoulder pain from side sleeping and my old sports injury. She helped me with a few stretches that really targeted the pain and even used Lifepro's sonic percussion massage gun to break up some of the fascia in my shoulder. I could literally feel the tension melting away. Since retiring from professional basketball, I don't stretch nearly as much as I should, so I was really appreciative of her walking me through these simple stretching techniques to alleviate my knee pain that I can do right at home. Next, I gave the seated elliptical a try, but to be honest, it wasn't really for me. It felt a bit underwhelming, but hey, not every product is going to be a hit for everyone. Here's a fun moment with the Lifepro team. I've already used their sauna blanket at home, so I didn't really get inside for real today, but we still had some fun shooting a quick demo. Trust me, this sauna blanket is a game changer for recovery after a long day. Afterward, I took a few selfies with the Vizacure light therapy mask. I felt like I was straight out of a sci-fi movie. Such a great moment with the Lifepro team. They were so welcoming and fun to be around. I loved getting to know them and learning more about their products. All packed up and ready to head home with my goodie bag. I can't wait to dive into these products and share the unboxing with you all. Lifepro really outdid themselves with this event. Got so much cool stuff. I'm really excited to do this unboxing video with you guys. Yeah. So much good stuff. And that's a wrap on my day in NYC. Heading back to Jersey now, but stay tuned for my full unboxing and reviews of all these goodies. I had an amazing time, and I'm so excited to show you more about what Lifepro has to offer. Alright, let's dive into the goodies I brought home from the Lifepro Gifting Suite event. I'm really excited to try these products, and today I'll be giving you a sneak peek of what each one does. I'll save my full review for later once I've had some time to test them out. First up, we have the Vizacure Light Therapy Mask. This mask uses LED light therapy to target skin concerns like acne, wrinkles, and discoloration. It's a hands-free device, so you can pop it on and let it work while you relax or go out about your routine. I can't wait to see how it works over time. Definitely stay tuned for my in-depth review once I've used it for a while. Next is the Revitaglow Light Therapy Mask. Similar to the Vizacure, but this one is focused on improving your skin's texture and boosting collagen production. Light therapy has become really popular in skincare, and I'm excited to see how it works for me. I'll be putting this to the test, so expect some honest thoughts in the future. I'm actually thinking I might use this one a little more than the Vizacure, simply because that one seems a little more for beginners, while this one seems a bit more comprehensive and covers more ground. I might just go ahead and gift the Vizacure to my mom and keep this one for myself. Here's the Velocity Vibrating Massage Ball. This little tool is perfect for targeting sore muscles and knots with its deep vibrations. You can roll it under your feet or use it on any tense areas like your back or your shoulders. As someone who's always on the go, I'm really looking forward to seeing if this helps with recovery. More on that soon. Now, this is the Oculax Heated Eye Massager. It's designed to relieve eye strain, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of screens like I do. It uses heat and gentle vibrations to soothe tired eyes, which sounds like a dream after long work days. I'll definitely be putting this to good use, so I'll share my experience once I've had more time with it. I actually grabbed 2 of these because my uncle has had eye surgery recently, and so I was thinking that this might make a very good gift for him, and I'm looking forward to giving that to him. But definitely, if you know someone that has, just different eye issues, this makes a great gift. It's a great little gift, something to just put on and relax and meditate to even. And finally, we have the Dyna Mini Percussion Massage Gun. If you've used percussion massagers before, you know how great they are for muscle recovery. You might have seen previously in this video where the professional stretch artist, as what I'll call her, she was using one on my shoulder and on my shoulder blades, and when I tell you that it really worked a miracle, I kid you not. So that's just a quick rundown of what I brought home from Lifepro. I'll be testing each of these products over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for my full, honest reviews. I'm excited to share how they perform and whether they'll become staples in my wellness routine. See you in the next video.